Hey guys, welcome back to Live Painting with RAEART. We have a special show for you, for all you cool cats out there. Check this out. I got a black canvas. There's actually two of them. This is a 2-pack, 12 by 16 inches. We're gonna go ahead and slap it down and make it really cool. Stay tuned. Put the new canvas up. Guys, it's time to slap it down. Alright guys, I think we have all our colors on. Oh, let's do some orange. And we are done. Alright guys, I think we got our pinks. Check out the palette. Some beautiful colors on there. I think we're about ready to slap it down. We're gonna go ahead and roll that time lapse.